Hello, my name is Mrs. Rampton, and I'll be guiding you through the process of accessing your textbook today. Within the Canvas course, you will see that at the bottom of the homepage, there are buttons that can help you link to important places within the class. Today, we're going to focus on the textbook. So the textbook link, you'll notice if you click on it, will open in the window you are in. So you might want to go back and then do a right click or two-finger click and open in a new tab so you can keep the class running alongside the textbook. You will see that the link brings you to our New Berlin Cloud page because the textbook is accessed through your cloud account. If you have not set up your sign-in with Google, you will enter your username, which is your email, and your password. If you have sign-in with Google set up, go ahead and do that. Once your cloud loads, you will look for a Pearson tile. It is typically alphabetical. You'll notice that it has kind of a blue and white background with a green banner behind the name Pearson. When you click on it, it should bring you to a login page. You are going to choose Active Directory. For you, you are going to enter your email and password. I have to sign in a slightly different way, but when you log in, you will see a similar screen to what I will have. Hopefully my long password works on the first try. Yay! Now, over here, my classes are in the future because we haven't started school yet by date. You should actually see an e-text button over here in most cases. When you do that, it should take you to a window that will allow you to choose the chemistry textbooks. You're going to want to pick the one that has the white background with kind of a lime green label behind the word chemistry. However, if you end up in the class, I have a lot more because these are all the classes I teach. When you see your class come up, it'll have an option here to open this window, and that will take you to the Realize platform. When you log in, any classes that you have through Pearson Realize will have their textbook links over here. So if you choose to go this way, you'll click on Chemistry 2017. Now, when you log in, you will see kind of a similar setup. You'll see Browse, Classes, Data, My Library. Here, for me as the teacher, the eText link is here on my main page. For some reason, Pearson decided it would be a great idea to put it in a different place for you. So you will want to go to Classes, and when you click on the class, and it brings up this window, you should see your eText link in here. But we're going to go back so that we can open the textbook and kind of see what it looks like from your view. So when you choose the eText, you're going to get this open in a new window, and it's going to load the online reading platform. There are some tools within it for note-taking, for accessing the glossary, for having the textbook read to you, so it's kind of run like a program. So you'll notice here this is kind of the beginning of the textbook. There's a menu with a table of contents. I recommend using this to do most of your navigating through the textbook because you can go directly to specific places within the text. So if we look here, you'll notice there are small kind of sound parts here that'll allow you to read the textbook.
Most chemicals found in organisms contain carbon. Therefore, organic.
So you can choose to have things read aloud. When you click on words, it'll give you a definition. There are annotating tools within the program, so those are things that you can use as well. So here's where you can get to annotations and highlights. This is where you could, oh, sorry, I clicked the wrong one. So you have a notebook. If you really wanted to, you could add in notes for yourself. These are not things you have to use, but they might be nice to know tools to have. So there are two ways to get to the textbook. When you are in this view, there's an eText link over here on the right that I don't have in the teacher view. You can go to that and choose the chemistry textbook. Or when you are in Pearson Realize and you're under your class, you should see an eText link that will allow you to choose the textbook reader. If you have any questions, please make sure to clarify with your teacher.